Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to post on LinkedIn with Image. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First up, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn feed. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the Start a Post option at the top of your feed. Click on it to open up the post creation window. At this point, you might have a text or message in mind, but to gull it, look for the Add Media option in the post creation window. It's here that you can browse through your computer's files and select the image you wish to upload. Choose your image carefully. Once your image is selected, click Save to attach it to your post. You can also edit it if you want. After that, click on Next. Here, adding a thoughtful or informative text alongside your image can provide context to your audience and encourage more engagement. Finally, with your image and text ready to go, it's time to share your post with the world. Simply click on Post to publish it, and you've successfully created and shared a post with an image on LinkedIn. And that's it. So that is how you can post on LinkedIn with Image. So that's all for this video. Thanks.